Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can soft reset or force restart your OPPO Reno 13. So first, make sure you hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Make sure to hold it. Don't mind this, just hold it. Keep holding until the screen goes black. And now, as you can see, we can let go of the keys and our phone is restarting now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if the tutorial helped you. See you in the next video. Bye.